Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can change your display language setting on Margex application using your smartphone. If you're struggling to navigate the platform because of the language barrier, then you can easily change the language setting on Margex so that you can trade comfortably in your preferred language. First things first, open the Margex application on your device and log in using your login credentials. From the home page of Margex, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner from the home screen. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, tap on Language. Now, select the language option you want to change to from the multiple languages available. After tapping on one of them, Margex will immediately change in your chosen language. There you have it. Your platform now has automatically refreshed in the chosen language. Changing the language on Margex app is simple and quick, and it helps you trade without confusions. You can always get back to the same language option and, whenever preferred, change it back to your desired language, and that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.